Hey guys, Andrew here. Welcome back to Joe Tutorial, and in this video I'm going to show you how to add promotional codes on Amazon. You are able to add these promotional codes once you're checking out. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to simply add a few items here in the cart. So let's see what are this. This is some game stuff. I can add, for example, this chair here, and let's add this chair to my cart, and let's say I am done, right? So I have two items here in my cart. So as you can look to the upper right hand side, I have my cart here, and I can also proceed to checkout. So I will proceed to checkout. And from here, you want to go ahead and choose your appropriate address. You can choose to add the ID if you so desire. For now, I'm going to just skip for now and click and continue. And it's going to take me over to this section here where you have your delivery address, you have all of those good stuff. You can add your card. If you don't have any card filler, you can add the card there and so forth. But if you look below here, you will see a section that says your available balance, and you also have the option here to enter your promotional code. So whether it's a gift card, a voucher, or promotional code, you can enter that code here, hit apply. And of course, if that gives you some discount, you will see the significant drop. You will see the total costs or cost for products that you're about to purchase. And that's it, guys. Very easy and very simple.